English lessons.
Today's mini English lesson is about word stress. I just want to be a P. Huh? Desert is my favorite thing. Some people have school for beer. When you learn new words in English, always check how many syllables there are in the word. This is not always connected to the number of letters in the word. The word scratched has 9 letters, but only 1 syllable. The word idea has 4 letters, but 3 syllables. Once you've checked the number of syllables in a word, you need to check which syllable is the most important. And that's what we call the stressed syllable. Word stress is not about stress, it's about what's important. When we talk about wanting to be a P, what we really want to say is, I just want to be happy. The stress in the 2-syllable word, happy, is on the first syllable. You can make it like this, happy. The stressed syllable should be louder, longer, higher, and clearer than the other syllables in the word. In the other example, desert is my favorite thing. It's kind of strange. I think what you want to say is, dessert is my favorite thing. Now that I can understand. Dessert is a 2-syllable word with the stress on the 2nd syllable. You can do it like this, dessert. And how about school for beer? Sounds great, but I think you probably want to say school phobia. That's a 3-syllable word with the stress on the 1st syllable. Phobia, not phobia, unfortunately. So how do you know which syllables to stress? Luckily, there are some patterns. In 2-syllable nouns and adjectives, normally the stress would be on the 1st syllable, like apple or bottle. In 2-syllable verbs, normally the stress would be on the 2nd syllable, create. Some words look the same, but one form might be a noun or an adjective, and the other form is a verb, and the stress changes accordingly. Perfect, the adjective, perfect. When we change that to a verb, the stress changes to the 2nd syllable, perfect. I have to perfect my work, so it will be perfect. Some other words might change their meaning unexpectedly, depending on where you put the stress. If you're someone who writes information for websites or books, you might call yourself a content creator, a content creator. If you get the stress wrong and you tell everybody that you're a content creator, you mean that you're happy. Well, that's great, and I'm pleased for you, but what do you make? Now that you know all about word stress, remember that you can always be a P.